So the really cool thing about Retool is that once you have these Lego blocks built,
Yeah,
you can actually give them to AIs to actually use,
sure.
actually, which is really interesting.
Yep.
So what I believe is missing now, which is today, if you look at how many dollars have been invested in the US in AI,
Hmm.
I think it's around a trillion, maybe a trillion and a half or so. But if you actually look at how much revenue there is from all AI products across all companies,
Hmm.
I think it's like 20, 30 billion.
Hmm.
That's pretty crappy ROI. That's a 3%
It's
ROI.
terrible.
And the question is it all a bubble? Or
Yeah.
can we figure out some use case for this LLM beyond just chat?
Yep.
And if you look at where we are today in the consumer market and the enterprise market, it pretty much is all just chat.
Hmm.
Uh, I think if you look at that 20, $30 billion of revenue, I want to say something like 80% of it is ChatGPT revenue plus cloud revenue,
Yep.
which is awesome.
Yep.
But chat is pretty limited. I mean, is chat going to grow 30x from where we are now? It's hard to say. I think probably no is the answer. And so what we think is really missing is a way to actually leverage and use LLMs to actually go automate labor.
Hmm.
And the weird thing about this is that LLMs are actually plenty smart already. If you,
Hmm.
I use chat a lot. I'm sure you two both use chat quite a bit as well. It's basically AGI at this point. I mean,
Yeah.
it is the classic Turing test thing of, can
Oh
you
yeah.
tell the
We blew past that.
way past that?
Yeah.
And yet, AIs aren't doing anything yet.
Yeah.
So it feels like there's this big disconnect.
Totally.
What we're here to really solve is can we actually allow AIs or LMs to actually do things in your business?
Yeah.
So right now it's just chatting back and forth. Can we actually allow it? Can we allow the US Navy, for example, to say, hey, it's not just using ChatGPT to answer some questions, but actually ChatGPT actually, or LLMs, actually do things in the US Navy, whether it's approving orders, whether it's approving plans, whatever it might be. That I think is the next frontier for AI, is AI that actually does things. And I think we're almost there, which is pretty cool. That's what we're working on.